vlogging in the road. Again.
Again.
Because I was like doing this on the way. I was like walking in the middle of the road. I don't have gum. I think I just touched your butt. So. Oh, I thought that said OMG.
OMG.
So there's this thing. This person's like, on Twitter, she's like, they're like quotes, pigeons! They're like quotes. They're like, she's like, OMB, Dad, look at this picture, because OMB, oh my beaver.
Yes.
And then, her dad's like, isn't the term OMG? She's like, Dad, I'm a believer, not Usher. So.
Wow.
That old lady's like, what? Like,
Rock.
Bam. I could just picture you like falling, like.
I missed.
Itchy leg. My stupid phone. It's like pinching me. Talking to a camera. I want those people like up there. I want that man up there to look at me crazy. So, how was your day, Mr. Camera? My day's pretty good. I'm just walking the road, vlogging to a camera.